Hello all, welcome back to AK App Logics. In the previous video, we have uh, a session on Verilog syntax, right? And Verilog comments. So today we're going to discuss about the white spaces in Verilog. So in previous video, we have discussed the topic Verilog syntax and comments. Those that video will be in the description. If you anyone didn't watch the video, please watch that video and come back to this video. Okay, this is the continuous series of Verilog. Okay, so in the previous video I have discussed, right, lexical conventions in Verilog are similar to the C. What are meant by lexical conventions means it may be a single character or a group of characters, or it may be a token which has such as comments, white spaces, strings, etc. So what does it mean? The comments, white spaces, strings, how we gonna represent in C in the same way we gonna represent in Verilog as well. So in the previous video we have discussed about the comments. This in this video we're gonna discuss about the white spaces. So let's without any delay, let's start the video. White spaces. Okay. White spaces is a term used to represent characters for spaces, tabs, new lines, and form fits, and is usually helps in indentation of code to make it easier to read. White spaces are used to represent the spaces, tabs, new lines, form fits. Okay, so you guys know about the spaces and as well as tabs and new line characters, right? New lines in the sense, see, um, yeah, this particular line is a new line, right? 44th line is a new line, right? Yeah. What is meant by form fits? Form fits are usually represented with a forward slash f, which is a white space character which is used in the web software designs. Okay. Yeah. To make the our forms more readable. Okay. For this purpose, we gonna use form fits. Okay. Why we gonna use this particular white space? The reason behind it is helps in the indentation of the code, which makes the code to read easier. Okay, that particular white space is used to make our code easier to understand when we are gonna read that particular code. Okay, let's see an example. Actually, it is not an example, it's not a code, it's an example. Okay, yeah, I have declared the module dut, and in previous class, we have discussed about the comments. I have used the single comments. This is a module. Module is a keyword, and dut is the name of the that particular module. Dut is called as variable, or it may be called as identifier. In this case, dut is called as an identifier because for dut we are not gonna assign any value, right? So for that purpose, we're gonna call it as identifier. We shouldn't call it as variable. Okay. Yeah. Uh, I wanna discuss this particular code again in upcoming videos for the thing of understanding the white spaces concept. I'm gonna discuss this thing. Okay. Yeah. I have declared some reg, which is a data type, and this is vector representation, and this is the variable name, and I have mentioned a string hello exclamatory. So if you wanna see, I have given three tab spaces. We're gonna see I have given three tab spaces. Even though we don't get any tab spaces, if you have any doubt, we can also do like this. Okay, we didn't get any error. Okay, for us. Let me come back. Ah, let's do the control Z. Sorry. Yeah. So I hope you guys understood, right? So the two spaces in the beginning are ignored. It means actually these are three. Okay, the three spaces, tab spaces in the beginning are ignored, right? Yeah. So, however, this is the important point in this lecture. I'm gonna mark important points as well. Okay, this is the important point. However, blank spaces and tab spaces are not ignored in strings. Remember this point. See another example related to this particular point. Okay, there is no spaces in the beginning of the line. The line beginning, there is no spaces if you're gonna see, right? But there is a space in string. See, I'm gonna give like this. Uh, let me. Yeah. If you're gonna see this particular string, we have how many characters? We have. You guys may say that E is one character, E is one character, R is one character, and T is one character, and H is one character, right? Total, you guys able to say that there are five characters. No, there is six characters. This particular space is also being counted while the concept is related to the string. Okay, we're gonna allocate the memory to this particular space also. Okay, in case of strings, that's the point that is given over here. However, blank spaces, tab spaces are not ignored by strings. In this case, the spaces are being ignored, right? While in this string case, there are total six characters, okay, including with the space, right? So if you're gonna use another tab, sorry, another space, there are seven characters, another space eight characters, another space nine characters. It means this particular spaces one, two, three, four spaces is also been counted when comes to string. Those are not ignored. Okay, white spaces are not ignored in strings. So this is the point you have to remember in this lecture. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the another video.